Welcome to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where we turn financial knowledge into power. Today, we're diving into an important topic: SSI eligibility for 2025. If you or someone you care about is facing financial challenges due to age or disability, this video could be a turning point. So, what exactly is SSI? Stands for Supplemental Security Income. It's a federal program designed to provide monthly payments to individuals who have limited income and resources, specifically those who are 65 or older, blind or disabled. Now, let's talk about who qualifies in 2025. To be eligible, you must meet a few criteria. You need to be 65 or older, or be blind or disabled. Your income must be limited specifically, less than $987 per month for individuals. Additionally, your resources should typically be less than $2,000 in assets if you're an individual. It's also essential to be a U.S. citizen or a qualifying non-citizen and to reside in one of the 50 states, D.C., or the Northern Mariana Islands. You might be wondering how much you can receive. In 2025, the maximum monthly SSI benefit is $967 for individuals and $1,450 for couples. This financial support can make a significant difference in your quality of life. When it comes to what counts as income and resources, it's important to know that income includes wages, Social Security benefits, pensions, and even free food or shelter. Resources encompass cash, bank accounts, stocks, and property, though your home and car are generally excluded from this calculation. If you're ready to apply, you can do so online at ssa.gov, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. Make sure to have your financial records, medical documentation, and proof of age or disability handy to streamline the process. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services is here to help you navigate the SSI application process. Give us a call at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert guidance tailored to your needs. If this video has helped you understand SSI eligibility better, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this information with your community. Remember, financial empowerment starts with knowledge, and we're dedicated to providing you with the tools you need to succeed. Thank you for joining us today.